Hello, today I'm going to talk about more ways to play with your awesome toys. So besides this shape that everyone's used to spinning, there's also a whole lot of different shapes you can make, and they can all be manipulated differently. So I'm going to start with just like the sickle like this can be manipulated around your body. Or you can use two to draw like fan patterns. Which are cool, like that. Also, you can spin them like two poi, like the same motion. You have to hold them really loose to do it. But the windmill, poi windmill with just the sickles is really, really cool. Also, you could form like a circle like this and manipulate this circle as much as you want. Let's see. I think that those are all the cool sickle versions that I know of, but they're worth playing with because there's so much you can do with them. The next is like these claws. You can do a lot of the same kind of stuff. Looks beautiful with them. You can also lock them into shapes like this when they're in the claws and manipulate that whole shape. A cool variation of this I like to do is you just grab one side and you keep sliding it out till it gets to a shape like this, and you have like a pincher or the flying jellyfish. From claws you can also do some other fan patterns. And you know, all timings and directions, so you can do them this way as well. These are cool for like poses. Like you can have like a mohawk or a tail feather. You can also from here slide them out into this shape. This is one of my favorites. There's several ways to get into it, but it's like this bow shape. And it's a really fun one to play with. It feels solid in your hands. Ways to get into that bow shape is like how I just showed you, and if you're in a place like this, just pick this one up lately, and this one's cool. If you're in a place like this, which you can get to through any like the same time stuff, get to a place like this and you grab the bottom one, let it flop down over, you end up with that shape. That's a J Firecat thing. And then you have this shape to play with. This is also like the bow. Another shape is your figure 8. You can manipulate it all as one shape. You can do that in finger spins as well. One other one I forgot to talk about from like these claws is with the die sets. You can, if you're in this claw place like this, I have mine taped so you can actually tell the difference. You can just click them together and you can create like this infinity spiral or the pinwheel, which is really cool. And this can be manipulated lots. Okay, and from here you can close it in. Like if you look at it, how the magnets are here, if you close it in this way, it's just going to try to separate it out. If you close it in this way, it'll actually make like, they'll feel attached, like one of them. And then you can manipulate that object. And then all you got to do is pull them apart. So you'll have them like this. You can pull apart like that. Alright. That's already a long video. Bye!